All right, chemistry fans, welcome back to Chemistry 1032 Problem Solving Set. I am Dr. Betts and I will be your guide through this problem. Here we have another density question. Let's read it carefully together. Ethanol has a density of 0.79 grams per milliliter. What is the volume of the ethanol if a bottle contains 1.5 kilograms of ethanol? So it wants to know the volume of the ethanol in a 1.5 kilogram bottle of ethanol. All right. Again, let's write down the pertinent information. Density equals, it's written right here, 0.79 grams per milliliter. Mass, okay, mass equals 1.5 kilograms. All right, and we need to know the volume. V equals question mark, and it's probably going to be in milliliters. You could express it in a different unit if you want, but I like to express mine in milliliters. All right, now let's see how we're going to do this problem. I personally like to set these problems up as conversion factors. I just treat density as a conversion factor. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to start like this. Grams multiplied by something will give me milliliters. And I want to put the grams on the bottom and the milliliters on the top. So my grams will cancel. This right here, this little thing here, is density, believe it or not. So here, this will go here. So now it's going to be 1 milliliter and 0.79 grams. That's just the density right there. It's just a conversion factor. The trouble I'm going to have, and I'm in trouble, boy, this, I don't have this number. I don't have it in grams. The mass I have expressed in kilograms. That's terrible. We have to fix that. Oh my goodness. Let's solve that first. Now, the problem here is, just so you're all on the same page with me, is my mass has been given to me in kilograms, but my density unit is expressed in grams. So there's no way I can just cancel out here. I have to convert my kilograms to grams, and then I can plug it in to my conversion. Well, that's pretty simple to do. We know that kilograms multiplied by something will give me grams. Kilograms on the bottom, grams on the top. That way, my kilograms will go away, leaving me in the unit I need for over here. So it's just a quick little conversion before we solve the problem. 1.5 kilograms. We know that there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So my final answer in grams, well, let's get the calculator out. You can probably do it in your head, but let's just do it in the calculator so people can see it. Multiply by 1, 1, 2, 3, 1,000, 1,500 grams. Two significant figures, two significant figures. All right? So we've calculated how many grams we need. And we had to do that, remember, we had to do that because here the mass is expressed in kilograms, and here my density is expressed in grams. So we have to have the units be the same so that this cancellation here will work. Okay? So now, I'm going to move 1,500 grams to here. Like that. So now, we're going to take 1,500, divide it by 0.79 equals. Big number. Let's write down what the calculator told me. 18987341177. A whole string of numbers. Again, we are the scientists, so we have to interpret what the calculator told us. Two significant figures. So let's write that down underneath. Two significant figures. Two significant figures. So my final answer can only have two significant figures. Be very careful with this number. This number is 1,898 milliliters, basically. So we have to be careful. We need to round this number to two significant figures. So my second significant figure is my 8. That 9 is going to round that 8 up by 1. So the final answer will be 19. Now, I know a lot of you want to leave it at 19. But now be careful. Think about it in terms of money. This is $1,898.73. If you round it to 19, now you're saying it's $19. It's obviously bigger than 18 or $19, so you have to add a couple of zeros to tell me the number is in the thousands. And then put in the unit. Okay? This question was a little tricky because I threw a little curveball at you with the kilograms. That should not affect you at all. You should be able to handle that quite smoothly, actually. So please, if this question has given you any kind of trepidation or any problems, please do not hesitate to contact a tutor here at the Academic Success Center, or go find your professor in their office hours and get questions like this straightened out. These are very common in science, so I would encourage you strongly to make sure you can do this question. Okay? This question entailed a lot of things, so make sure it's very clear to you how it's done. All right? Now with that, I will bid you good luck and good chemistry.